Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, adaptive cruise control, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.